hello kid. Well, today we are going to meet Neetu. Do you know who's she? Well, she's just like a small kid, just like you. And Neetu and her family had shifted to a new house with a beautiful garden in front. Isn't it lovely? Neetu was also very excited. So one day, Neetu's mother thought of taking her out to the garden to play with her. When Neetu reached the garden along with her mom, she was so happy. She was amazed to see so much of greenery around her. What she did, you know? Well, she opened her shoes and went running in the park. She felt amazing doing that. So, when she went running in the park, she felt so glad. The small tiny things were tickling underneath her feet. See, doesn't it look like a beautiful green carpet? I'm sure it does. So, if you see, this beautiful green carpet is actually living. These are tiny little living things called plants, and these especially known as grass. So, what do you think? Well, if you get a chance to go in the park, wouldn't you also run barefoot just like Neetu? I'm sure you would. But not only this, we also have got some beautiful colorful plants all around us. Now, some might be huge like this. Well, this plant you can see is huge and tall. But not all of them are like this. Some of them are tiny as well. See, they're so small and cute, right? So, some may be huge, some may be tiny, and some are colorful as well. Even these things look very, very beautiful. And most of the greenery and these colorful living things are known as plants. So, what did we learn just now? Well, most of the greenery we see around us in nature are plants. So, I have a question for you. Well, what are most of the green things that we see in nature? Is it option 1 buildings, option 2 animals, or option 3 plants? Let me tell you. Well, the first option is building, which is a non-living thing, and buildings are there in lots of color. So, this is definitely a wrong option. Next comes animals. Well, animals are living, but most of them aren't green in color. So, even animals is a wrong option. So, the correct option is plants. So, most of the green things that we see in nature around us are plants. Well, you would be surprised to know that plants are our best friends. Do you know why? Like, if you see the fruits, medicines, wood, flowers, vegetables. Well, we all love to eat and use these things in our daily lives, right? So, from where do we get all of these things? Well, we get all of these from plants. So, you can see over here that plants are very, very useful to us, and we should treat them as our best friends. Now, when you look at the plant, you might find that they don't speak or cry like you, but they are also living. They can also feel just like us human beings. How? Via an example. Now, if you see us, well, we are also babies at some point of time, but we also grow over a period of time and become big or adult, right? Similarly, if you see over here, this is a small plant which has grown into a big plant. So, what will happen if you pluck out this? Well, the plant will die and it will not become big like this big plant. So, you can see plants are also like us. They also have life. So, what do you do when you see a beautiful flower on a plant? Do you go to pluck it or you enjoy its beauty while it is on the plant? Let me tell you, kid, you should not pluck any flower from the plants because just like I told you, plants also feel just like us. So what happens when you pluck a flower? The plant gets hurt. Just for an example, think. If someone pulls your hair, what would happen? Would you like it? Obviously not. You will feel sad, hurt and cry as well, right? Similarly, when you pluck flowers from the plants also cry. See, the plant is so sad. So, you should not pluck flowers from the plants. Well, I'm sure you will agree with me that we all love our family and our friends. Similarly, we should also be quite loving towards plants because plants give us so many things. So, we should also take care of our new best friend, that is the plants. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests. Performance analysis along with actionable feedback. Personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.